Okay, what's up everybody? Welcome to another video. Welcome to Kaizen Mentality. I haven't made a video in almost a month. I've been busy running the business, getting new accounts, paying taxes, but I'm great to be back. This video I want to talk about why most people will not make money with storefront window cleaning. I'm going to go into the characteristics, the habits of those who will fail at storefront window cleaning, those who will fail to build a route and actually build a recurring income business. Now, these are the traits that you do not want to possess. You want to develop the opposite, the flip side of the traits of these. You want the positive aspects of these traits, not the negatives. So first things first, number one trait of those who will fail with storefront window cleaning is the people who do not pitch enough. If you pitch 1 to 3 businesses a day and that's all you do, you're not taking enough action. You're not consistent enough. You're not doing enough volume to actually build a pipeline of prospects that can convert to clients. So you have to get out there. You have to meet people. You have to talk to a lot of people. You have to present your offer to enough people to grow a route. This is big. If you don't do this, you can't expect to actually build a route that pays you enough to live your life. So if you don't pitch enough, that is a poor quality. Number two, if you cannot handle rejection, if you are deflated, if you lose energy, if you become negative, self-defeating, you begin to doubt yourself when you are rejected, that is not the trait that you want. If that happens to you, you're going to quit. You're not going to persist. You're not going to continue pushing ahead. You can't let the rejection stop you. You can't let it get you down. It may not feel great, but you need to reinforce that into taking more action and continuously to persist. So that's another thing. Third thing, undercharging consistently. You cannot undercharge. If you undercharge yourself, you're not only hurting yourself, you're hurting the market around you. If you undercharge, you're making less money. You can't sustain yourself undercharging yourself all the time. And especially if this is like a business that you're clean, that's a professional business. If you underbid yourself, they're going to see you as a lower quality service provider. If you charge more, people will see you as a higher standard service provider, and you live up to that by providing a great service to them. So do not underbid, do not undercharge yourself. Charge what you are worth. Understand how to charge. If you want to learn how to price in the Storefront Window Cleaning Blueprint, in which I teach you how to price jobs correctly. If you're interested in that, check out link in bio, Storefront Window Cleaning Blueprint. Next thing, the people that won't make money of storefront window cleaning. You want to make money fast, instant money. You want to make $10,000 that fast. It's not going to happen. Building out a route takes time. It takes patience. It takes consistency of action. If you're not willing to have patience, you're not going to build a route. You're going to quit when it gets hard. You're going to quit when you're not getting results. There have been weeks where my business slowed down. I've had bad weeks. I've had bad months. And I easily could have quit. I easily could have just been like, oh, this is not working. I'm just not going to try anymore. No, if you have that mentality of, oh, things are slow, I'm just going to quit, you will not make this. You will not make it in this business. If your expectations is lots and lots of money, you're going to quit. Another thing, very important thing, if you avoid following up, yeah, you're not going to build this business. You have to follow up. You have to call prospects. You have to walk back in, reintroduce yourself. You have to, continuously present yourself to prospects and represent yourself to prospects until they know you. This is how you develop familiarity and eventually land accounts. Following up is crucial. You need to follow up. Sometimes prospects will not close the first time or second time. Sometimes 3, 4, 5 points of contact before they finally choose to use you as a service provider. So yeah, those are traits of people that will not make money in this business. Now let's inverse this. Let's do inversion thinking. These are the traits that will make you fail. Now all you have to do is flip them, and that is how you succeed. pitching enough consistently, having a system for pitching, not allowing rejection to stop you. View rejection as redirection. How can you improve yourself? Sometimes it's maybe you can work on your pitch, your tonality, your script. Understand it's a long game. It's not going to be instant money quickly. Another thing is following up. Every week, have a set period, maybe 2-3 days of the week, where you follow up with all prospects and previous clients for scheduling new cleanings, scheduling new jobs. And you do these things consistently, you will not be able to help but grow your business. You won't be able to help. Storefront window cleaning is a business in which you have to be consistent. You have to do good work. You have to build trust with people. And this takes time. It's not a fast process. I've been at this for coming up 2 years. There's a lot of things I've had to learn on pitching and handling rejection, on, dealing with slow months, dealing with uncertainty of what to do. So that's basically the video. This is why most people will not make it in this business, or the traits that we discussed. And if you just make sure that you do not possess these traits, at least most of the time, you can build out a route. You can build an independent income stream for yourself with this service and make money on your own terms. So if you want my full step-by-step system on doing just that, check out the Storefront Window Cleaning Blueprint down in the description and channel bio. Any questions, leave them down below in the comments. Like the video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.